Okay, this is just going to be a short video on a couple of the mods I've done for the Atom cart pushing robot. As you remember that this one was the one that was in the build video. You saw me build it up from scratch. One thing I didn't cover in the video is I did add these small little magnets to all the lids of all the ones I built, because that way the lid will stay on even if you tip the thing upside down. Doesn't have any problem staying on normally. And this had the slow motor, the 120 to 1 gear ratio, as you'll recall. And featured briefly in the build video was the one with the faster motor. That would be the 48 to 1 gear ratio, or as they like to call it in China, 148. Then I made this one. It's using a 120 gear ratio motor again, but I changed the head STL file so that two 3mm LEDs could be put in there and a dropping resistor. And as long as you run the wires on the very edge inside part of the head, it'll fit around the motor. There's room. So when it's on, you can have the lit eyes, which is kind of a nice effect. And then, wanted to take it a step further, made a remote control one that can walk forward and backwards with lit eyes. And then this backpack is the receiver. And then this is the transmitter. When you turn it on, you know that it's on because the eyes will sit there and stay lit. And then as you push the two buttons, you'll either go forward or you'll go backward. So there's the forward. And there's the backward. Let's get more of a side angle so you can see better. Forward and backward. The cam and linkage for the legs isn't optimized for walking backwards. It's optimized for walking forwards, but it works okay. I do have some other gear motors on order that haven't arrived yet. For I'm hoping for a slower and much smoother walking speed. But until they come, I can't really shoot a video on those. So I thought I would just show you the mods where you can add the eye LEDs, where you can go remote control. And there'll be more information on the new STL files. I'm linking to my Alphadrome website that I like to use now, since Thingiverse still seems to be whacked out. So if you want to do the LED thing, you can.